The method we already studied was called as production rule. In production rule method, there were rules um, specifying the current state and the next state. Later, we apply the rules in a order uh, to obtain the solution. That is production rule. Second method is our state space search. It has got four components. A set S start state. Uh, in this state space search, there is a set S that comprises of start states. There is a set G that includes goal states. Set of nodes or states in the graph or tree representing the state in the problem solving process. All right. Finally, we have set of arcs that connect the node. Nodes are connected by set of arcs. Let us discuss how to solve missionaries and cannibals problem using state space search. Can you tell me what is the start state?
The 331 on left side.
Yes, very good. We can we,
Zero.
we can we can say 3M 3C 1B colon 0M 0C 0B. This is the detailed representation, or you can simplify it and represent in this manner 331 comma 000. This is a start state. Goal state. Tell me the goal state.
0M, 0C, 0B.
Yeah, 0M 0C 0B
And
colon
3M, 3C, 1B.
3M 3C 1B. Or simply you can say 000
0, 0, 0, 3,
comma
3.
2. Right. So you got this point. Next. Uh, next, we need to understand here that there might be some invalid states as well. When you try to uh, come up with the solution states, there might be some invalid states, and that invalid states should not be used, and it should be avoided. And there can be a valid state, and there will be an operator. We apply the operator and we reach to the next state. How it is done, let us look at here with an example. Start state. Let us construct the tree, which is known as search space. What is the start state? Start state is represented as 331 colon 000. From this start state, there are several possible uh, states which we can reach. Can anyone tell me which state we can reach, and what will be the operator that we apply to reach that? If we apply the operator 1M 1C, 1M 1C means one missionary, one cannibal. This is operator, and you need to specify the direction as well. So direction is from left to right. Then what? In which state it moves? It moves to state 220 colon 111. If you apply another operator, you reach to another state. Can you tell me Which operator we can apply to reach to which state?
0 missionaries and 2 cannibals.
Yes, 0 missionaries and 2 cannibals is the operator. And what is the direction from left to right? And what will be the state? 310 colon 021. Can you tell any other operator?
Ma'am,
Yes.
here we also need to mention that opposite direction, right? Can we do that here?
Yeah, we can do by using uh, right arrow. Means left arrow pointing to left.
So next will be
We can do that.
the before this statement we need to add the right direction one, right? There.
Yeah, yes, yes. Like that only we proceed. First we go from left to right, then from right to left. This is left to right. Starting state. Now from left to right, you can take one missionary, one cannibal, which leads to this state. Or you can take 0 missionary, 2 cannibals, which leads to this state. Or you can take a 0 missionary and 1 cannibal from left to right, uh, and you obtain this state 320 colon 011. From here, from here onwards, what you have to do is you have to come from, now you are in, now the boat is in right bank. So what you have to do here, you have to come from right to left. You can take one missionary, 0 cannibal, and arrow is right to left. And what state you arrive to? 321 colon 010. Right? From here also you can
1
take
cannibal.
yes, 0 missionary and 1 cannibal, which leads to the state 321 colon 010. And these two are same states. So you can stop search here because anyway these two are same and it leads to the same goal. So you can expand just one and leave another. And from this direction, if you take 0 missionary, 1 cannibal, and if you reach to this state, this is nothing but the start state.
Starting state.
What does it means? It means that it will run in loop. Therefore, you should not expand in this direction. Now, expanding from here, what are the options? Did you understand why are we not expanding these two states?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you tell me from here what you can do. You have to go from left to right now because boat is at left. What you can carry? You can carry 0 missionary, 2 cannibal
Cannibal.
from left to right, or you can carry 0 missionary, 1 cannibal from left to right. This gives us 300 colon 031. This gives us 310 colon 021. And if you expand this further, 0 missionary and 2 cannibal, from right to left, you reach to this state where you are again coming to the start state. Therefore, it end up in being loop. So you have to stop expanding this state. Then now we are going to continue from this state. Can you tell me from this state how can we do?
One cannibal to the left.
Yes, zero missionary, one cannibal to the left. To the left means like this arrow is pointing to the left. After you do that, what will be the state? 311 colon 020. When you expand this state, you have to apply an operator. What operator you are applying? Can you tell me which operator to apply?
No idea, ma'am.
No idea. From here, you see there are 3 missionaries, one cannibal, one boat,
Ma'am, this
and
time right to left, right?
this time
Right to left we need to go, right?
no, left to right. Now
to right.
see, boat is at left.
So left side we have 2 cannibals.
No, left side we have one cannibal and 3 missionaries.
So sorry, this one 311. So left to right. So left to right from now we can take 2 missionaries, ma'am, here.
Very good.
But
2 missionaries, 0 cannibal from left to right. To right. What will be the state now? State will be 1, 1,
1
0,
0
colon
2 2 2.
1. Now what?
Now
One cannibal and one missionary to the left.
yeah,
ma'am.
Exactly.
One
One missionary,
cannibal,
one cannibal to left.
left.
Then here it will be 2, 2, 1, colon 1, 1, 0.
0.
Yes. Next.
Then now we can take
Two
that
missionaries to the right.
missionaries, 2 missionaries to this
Yeah,
side.
we can take yes, 2 missionaries, 0 cannibal to right. 0, 2, 1, colon 3, 1, 1. Further, which rule to be applied? Which operator?
One cannibal towards left.
Yeah, one cannibal. So 0 missionary, 1 cannibal to left. This is 0, 3. Hey, here this should be 0, 2, 0. No, this should be 0. This is to
0
right,
to 0.
no,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yeah, this should be now 0, 3, 1 colon.
3
This
0
this
0.
will be 3, 0, 0. Yes, very good. Next.
2 cannibals towards right.
Now 2 cannibals we have to take.
Yes,
0
ma'am.
missionary, 2 cannibals to right. This would lead to 0, 1, 0, colon 3, 2, 1. Next,
One cannibal to left.
1 cannibal to left. So 0 missionary, 1 cannibal to left. Here it will be 0, 2, 1, colon 3, 1, 0. Next,
2
2
cannibals.
cannibals to right.
Right.
2 cannibals. 0, are we going in the right direction? Let me check here.
Ma'am, here 2 states will be possible, ma'am. We can either take that cannibal or
One
missionary.
cannibal, 2 cannibal.
Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
0,
Because
3, 1, 3, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1. After from 0, 1, 0, 3 to 1, we have 2 possible states.
yes.
Exactly. One is 0 missionary, 1 cannibal. Other one is 1 missionary, 0 cannibal. So from here you are also leading to another state
One missionary, one cannibal, I think, ma'am.
One missionary, one
No,
cannibal.
no.
No,
Not
There
possible,
will be
ma'am.
one cannibal is left, no, ma'am. There.
On the
one
left side,
missionary. No, now you
When,
are going to left. No, you are when you are going to left, you typically carry a single uh,
yes, ma'am.
en- person.
Actually,
Hmm,
in
hmm,
that above 1031300, right? Here
hmm,
in left side three cannibals, right side
hmm,
three missionaries. Then we are taking uh,
hmm,
one cannibal to the right side, the left side. Sorry. From there we are bringing two cannibals now.
hmm,
Now it's 021310, right?
hmm.
Sorry, I got confused here. In last, there will be only one cannibal, ma'am. 010 in left side, 321 in right side. So if we send one missionary to left side,
Hmm.
it will not be an issue, ma'am, because there will be
yes,
two,
ma'am.
right? Two
There is
cannibals,
one
and
more possibility.
there is one
Yeah,
more possibility.
Uh,
so one missionary, zero cannibal. You are saying
No, no,
to
one
left.
missionary, one cannibal in left
no,
side.
one cannibal is not possible.
See,
To
here
left,
already
we
one.
are taking only one no every time.
Yes, ma'am. See here 010, right? 321. This is a left state, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
This one 010 321. That penultimate one.
Okay, let us see. You
So
you you mean one missionary, one cannibal to left.
only one missionary to left.
Okay,
There
okay.
will be one missionary, one cannibal, one boat. Now in next step.
Okay, you are saying only one missionary, zero cannibal to left, not one
Yeah.
missionary, one cannibal. No, no, this you are
Zero
not
cannibal.
saying.
Left to only one
So
missionary we are taking.
right. So what will be the state here? When you do this, one missionary is coming here. So
One,
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 colon,
two, two, zero.
2, 2, 0. Okay, you are okay with this too now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now from here we are reaching to another state. Can you tell me which operator to apply?
Now right side we
On
need to.
021,
If you take zero missionary, already three missionaries are here, two cannibals, two right, you will reach 000 colon three
331.
three.
1.
So this is our goal state. Here what you can do, here if you carry one missionary and one cannibal, then it will be 000 colon
3 1.
331. So now see here we reached the goal state.
Yes.
By the application of operators repeatedly, we could come up with to the goal state, and also there are several paths to the goal state. It's not like that there is only one fixed solution. As you can see from here, there are two paths and there are two states, and both are reaching to the goal state. Anyone you can choose based on some criteria. Do you understand? This is known as search space.
Yes, ma'am.
If you write down these steps in the form of solution, look at here. These are the operators that have been applied in order to reach the solution, and there are two solution paths. First one, what we did is one missionary, one cannibal, one missionary, zero cannibal. If you look at here, it is one missionary, one cannibal, one missionary, zero cannibal, zero missionary, two cannibal. This is like this. If you put in a sequential form, you get the solution path. The application of the operators. One missionary, one cannibal here. Then one missionary, zero cannibal, followed by this is to right, this is left. Here, this path is not leading to goal. So this path, zero missionary, two cannibal, to left. Then zero missionary, one cannibal, to right. when you put down the sequence of operators, you obtain the solution path. Do you understand this point?
Yes, ma'am.
So one solution path is given here, one missionary, one cannibal, one missionary, zero cannibal, all whatever we did, same thing, and this direction denote from where to where. This is from left to right and this is from right to left. This is to left, this is to right. And there is another solution path as well. Last but one step had two states coming out of it. Therefore, you see here up to here this point, it is both the solution states are similar. Here there is a change. Here we are taking zero missionary, one cannibal, and here we are taking one missionary, zero cannibal. But both the solutions are giving us right solutions. Okay. Next problem is 8 puzzle problem. This is about a search space to solve missionaries and cannibals problem. Next problem to be solved through search space is 8 puzzle problem. In this 8 puzzle problem, there is a problem given in which we have got 3 by 3 grid. There is a 3 by 3 grid. This is 3 by 3 grid. And numbers are randomly placed in this grid from 1 to 8. And these tiles are arranged with one empty cell. There is one empty cell. Let us take 3, 7. Randomly, you are putting numbers 1 to 8. 5, 1, 2, 4. This is empty tile and 8. This is our start state. The problem to be solved here is to obtain a goal state which has this configuration. The configuration of this grid in the goal state is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is empty tile. This one is goal state. And this is known as 8 puzzle problem. There is one empty cell or empty tile that you can move. This empty tile can be moved up, left, right, down. If it is here in the center, you can move it at 4 different positions: left, right, up, down. If it is here in the bottom row, you can move it to up, left, and right. If it is in the top row, you can move it left, right, and down. By moving this tile, you have to obtain the goal state. Let us represent it. Represent it in the form of state space search. In state space search, there is a start state. So what is the start state? Our start state is we have 3, 7, 6 in the first row, 5, 1, 2 in the second row, 4, 0, 8 in the third row. This is the start state. What is the goal state? In the goal state, you should have 5, 3, 6 in the first row, 7, 0, 2 in the second row, and 4, 1, 8 in the third row. And what are the operators? The operators are up, down, left, right. And where do you apply this operator? You apply this operator onto the empty tile. Let us try to solve this problem. So when you develop a search space, you start with the start state. So our start state is 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2. 4 empty, 8. This is our start state. From here, we can move on to different states by applying the operator to this empty tile. Operators are up, down, left, right. Based on the position of this tile, you need to choose which one to apply. When you are expanding this, will you tell me here in this case what are the next states that we obtain?
Swapping empty cell with one, ma'am.
It can be a number of rows, ma'am. We can do anything here. It's not a particular one, I feel.
This empty. Did you understand the problem? This empty tile is there, no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Now, what operator you can apply to this empty tile?
Up, left, and right, ma'am.
Left, right,
Left.
left. Left you can apply.
Right.
You can apply right, and you can apply
Up.
up,
Up.
up. When you apply left, what will be the result? 3, 7, 6,
5, 1, 2,
5, 1, 2,
0, 4,
empty
8.
tile, 4, 8.
8.
This is on the application of left operator. On the application of right operator, 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2,
4, right,
4, 8, empty tile.
empty block.
When you apply up operator, it would be 3, 7, 6, 5,
Empty block,
this
2,
empty block, 2,
4, 1, 8.
4, 1, 8. Further, what you can do? Here, in this case, you can apply to up or
Right.
right. Here you can apply up or left. Here you can apply all the operators you can apply. Like when you go on expanding, what happens? You will get the goal state. When you get the goal state, you have to stop the process and you have to list out the operators sequence that have been applied in order to obtain the solution. From here we are getting 2, and from here you are getting 2 states. From here you are getting 4
4.
states. One, 2, 3, 4. So this would be 3, 7, 6. This let us take up. Up means empty. 1, 2, 5, 4, 8. And this one is right. 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 4, empty, 8. This one you can apply up. 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, empty, 4, 8, 2. This one is left. 3, 7, 6, 5, 1, 2, 4, empty, 8. Can you, if you have notes with you, can you expand this and come to the goal state and give me the solutions?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. Did anyone obtain the solution?
Not completed.
Okay, complete.
Ma'am, can you show us the goal state now?
Goal state is this one. Students, all of you, please do. Okay, students, please tell me whether you tried creating a program for water jet problem and fisheries problem in Python?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
that cannibalism and which I got tried, but I didn't understand, ma'am. Logic I can understand, but how to implement it, it needs some lists and
Yes, yes,
other
yes, yes.
things. So I got confused. That's why.
But you try. I will also try and explain you. Uh, um,
And also there is one video, ma'am. The guy explained this problem, but it is in Tamil. I didn't understand that language.
yeah, no, no, in English also you have. Why other
I
language?
didn't get it, ma'am, in English. I thought
English
I searched for
uh,
it.
explanation of missionaries and cannibal.
Uh, Python program, ma'am. How they implemented in this.
Python program. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This
So
logic I understood, ma'am. This explanation that AI one.
that is only important. If you can implement it, you will
Yeah, we
get
will try, ma'am.
expertise.
Yes, ma'am. We will definitely.
You try. Even yesterday, I did water jug, but not missionaries. Missionaries really it needs some time and
That guy
um,
implemented some states, ma'am. He took some random states, five
hmm,
to six states. He
hmm,
tried to iterate it. He used if condition in it.
hmm,
Do actions like that. If you do
hmm.
this action, return this thing, or if you fail this, do something like that. But we need to iterate to the list. That logic we need to implement. So it will
He
take
im-
some time.
he implemented.
I didn't check. I didn't understand what he's explaining. That is in Tamil. So I really didn't understood what he's telling.
If we get the program also, we can trace and understand. No,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
has he
I
given the program?
I think he given description. Need to download it. I will check and I will post it, ma'am. If that is
Yeah, if
there.
it is there, you post in AI group. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
which editor are you using to execute Python programs?
Python, ma'am.
You
PyCharm.
you are using
It is not,
PyCharm.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so PyCharm is good. You can use it. Um, yes, Harsha, did you try water jug and missionaries?
I tried WaterJet, ma'am.
You got it?
But it is not a general solution, ma'am.
Hmm.
I tried for first approach.
Mm-hmm. Further, you keep on trying and don't stop it until you get it.
Now can you
All
check that?
these, which one?
That water jet problem. I'm pasting the link of Google Colab.
Send. In collab you did.
Yes.
That's really nice. It's opening. All right. So then all the students, did you get that? That's actually quite easy. This eight puzzle problem. Anyone obtained the solution?
It has become bigger, ma'am.
Yeah. It has
It is
become
going
bigger.
very big, ma'am.
So, from this, what do you understand? Tell me. What do you understand about AI programs?
Uh, if manual intervention takes lot of time, at that place we can use artificial intelligence to make that efforts reduced, and we can save time as well if we do with the artificial intelligence.
Absolutely, but artificial intelligence programs require more memory, and also it requires a high-end GPU. You see now when you are expanding this grid, 3 by 3 grid, what is happening? It is becoming a huge tree. So when you do it in computer system, you have to have memory, huge memory. This is just a small eight puzzle problem. Like this, several high-end problems require high memory and high speed. That is the actually problem in AI, ML and DL. It requires more memory and more computation power. Did you understand what I said?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So then you please don't stop trying. You try to write the program and understand the program. It will really help you in your future. Okay, why it is not opening? Perhaps my network is slow.
Try refreshing it now.
Refresh. All right, students. So that is, I think, clear. Okay, it has come. Python program to fill 5 gallon jug with a 4 gallon of water. Okay. 5 gallon jug is equals to 0, 3 is equals to 0. Initially water in 5G, 3G. Okay. While 5 gallon jug is not equal to 4. If 5 gallon is equals to 0 and 3 is equals to 0, then what are you doing? Acha, this is like a rule, production rule. Then you are filling 5 and 3. Else if 2 and 3, then you are doing 0 and whatever is there in 5 gallon jug that you are copying in this. Then 5 gallon jug to be 0. All right. Else if This is known as rule-based system. In rule-based system, you hand code. This is known as hand coding the rules. Nowadays, what machine learning and deep learning is doing, it is not necessary to specify these hand coded rules. They themselves will learn the rules. These are the rules actually, and these rules we are writing in the form of a program. In machine learning and deep learning programs, you don't specify the rules. The machine itself will learn the rules. That is the beauty of ML and DL. So initially water in 5J, finally water. This is very, very specific. It is right. Very good, Harsha. You tried, and you try to expand it.
Okay.
It is only for 3 rules.
Yes.
You are applying one specific sequence,
Yes.
and you are
Yesterday we
obtaining
derived 2
the
solutions.
2 solutions. You can go
This
for the
works for
second
the first
solution
solution.
also.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's absolutely right. But then you can go on adding another solution path and another solution path, and you explore further how this can be done through different techniques of AI.
Okay. Ma'am, do we
Okay.
have labs for this subject in the 4th semester?
No, in 4th semester we
No.
don't have lab. In second semester, the same subject is there, so they have lab. Now you don't have lab, but then we will do lab part also. Otherwise, just studying theory uh, is easy, and we will not know how practically and concretely things are done. Actually, look, we can say anything in theory, but how to
Yes.
implement? See, this is one solution. How this solution has been obtained by coding the rules. If 5-gallon jug equal to 0, 3-gallon jug equal to 1, like this, Harsha is applying certain rules and performing certain computations. This is very important to learn the subject practically. All right, students, we have to learn for ourselves. Even if it is not there in syllabus, we should try and learn.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next, like small topics are there. Let me complete that. Control strategies. Actually, what are we doing here? Can anyone tell me what are we doing? What are we learning in this under this topic?
The different methods to apply. Like yesterday, we have seen that the problem of cannibals and missionaries. In that, we are not taking L1 directly. We are starting from L2. So we are specifying the control where should it move to get the appropriate solution. So like that.
Yeah. So, what is the term used for all this? What is the
Control.
chapter name? It is problem solving.
Acha, problem chapter name.
We are trying to solve the problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Different types of problems. How humans can do and how machine can do. How humans would do, like how do we create a tree and apply operators to obtain the goal? We generally create one mental image, visualize the things, and then we come up with a solution. Or even if we write in the book, do we do like expanding all this and all? Does human do like that?
No.
Human will not do like that. But the system will not know from which state it is leading to what state. A system will not know. So system has to try all the possible alternatives. That's what we looked at. No, it has come up with some production rules and applying of the production rules. And if Waterjet problem is given to human, what human would do? Will human create the rules? He will not create the rules. He will just think about the next step, write the next step, a subsequent step, and so on until the final step, and gives the solution. But for machine, doing these type of things is not easy. Machine has to explore and has to look for several options and try to obtain the solution from the options which the machine is exploring. Do you understand, students? What are we learning? Why are we learning? We are
Yes.
learning problem solving techniques which is done by the system. Which system? AI system. Okay, now the time is 10. I think tomorrow we will see. All right,
Okay.
students, please
Okay, ma'am.
try to implement. Yeah, Harsha, you just add second solution also to this,
Okay, ma'am.
and also think about different ways of doing that. Others also please try for the programs. Okay, then bye, students.
Bye.
Thank